If you want to increase your manifestation abilities, powers, and your own just natural powers, like, you got to try this. Super easy to do. Chances are you probably have these things in your kitchen and it works. This jar is a mental enhancement jar. The same rules for manifesting still apply. Like, you need to raise your vibration in order to match what it is, the frequency of what it is you're trying to attract and draw towards you in your life. You also need to believe that manifesting is real and visualize clearly exactly what it is that you want. Keep your thoughts aligned with that, but I am telling you, powerful combination. Grab a mason jar and fill it with the following: cinnamon for dream magic, prosperity, luck, abundance; nutmeg for an extra boost of good luck; ginger for lunar magic; basil for protection; fennel seeds for spiritual healing; garlic for spiritual purification; and marjoram for overall protection. There's no specific measurements. You just throw them all in your mason jar and close the lid. Store it somewhere private, somewhere that nobody else is going to find that. This is your special tool. I store mine with my crystals, but you can put yours wherever you want with your manifestation journal, your magical tools, whatever it is. Anytime that you do any type of manifestation work, rituals, spells, whatever it is that you practice, take this jar out, shake it up, open the lid, and inhale deeply. This is where the magic is at. This one jar will last you an entire year, but once the year is up, take it outside in your garden, backyard, wherever, bury it, express gratitude, and then start a whole new jar. You have to let me know if you try this, because this has increased it's like I have easier access to the energy of manifesting. It's wild.